Hello foodies, ever wonder how iconic spots like MTR get that perfect golden brown Medu Vada? You know, the one shatteringly crispy on the outside but cloud like fluffy on the inside. Today I'm pulling back the curtain on the authentic hotel style recipe. We aren't just making vadas, we are mastering the science behind them. I'll show you exactly how to get that signature crunch without that soakage, the secret to aerating the batter without the fancy machines, and my foolproof trick to shaping the perfect hole every single time. If you have struggled with oily or flat waters in the past, this video is for you. Let's head to the kitchen and let's see how to make this MTR hotel style perfect and crispy Medu Vada. Let's do this. These are the ingredients required to make this perfect Medu Vada. Here I have taken 1 cup of Urad Dal and some ginger chopped, and nearly quarter teaspoon of peppercorns, 3 green chilies, and some coconut, and here come finely chopped strands of curry leaves, some asafoetida, nearly 2 pinch, and little bit of a salt, required amount of oil to deep fry. That's it. Now let's see how to make this. Here I have taken the Urad Dal or the Udina Ver, what we call the fine quality one. I need to wash it 3 to 4 times thoroughly, and we need to soak it for about 4 to 5 hours. Now look, it has been soaked for about 4 hours. It will swollen up for its sizes nearly double. Now let's see how to grind this using a mixer or a grinder. Here I have taken a grinder. To this we'll add just the Urad Dal. We'll add the soaked Urad Dal to the grinder. And we'll grind it, but make sure we'll add little bit of a water in between using cold or ice cold water. Here are the tips. You can take a screenshot of it. This is very important. See here, we have grinded the batter to a fine paste. Just look at it, how perfectly it has been made. Now we need to aerate the batter much more to get that fluffy consistency. To that, what we need to do is we need to whisk it vigorously with our hands. If you have an electric whisker, you can use also. We need to beat this batter like this so that the air will incorporate into the batter like this. Just look at this. While doing this with your hands for about 4 to 5 minutes minimum, the batter will become light and fluffy. This is the main important technique in getting that crispy and that fluffy texture of that vada. Now this batter is ready. I will show you a technique that is a water bowl technique. So I'll just add a lump of this batter into the water. If the batter floats, then the batter is perfectly aerated. Now this batter is perfectly ready. Now we'll add some ingredients to this. We'll add some finely chopped coconut, fresh coconut, and some chopped curry leaves. This will give us a nice flavor and aroma to the vadas. And we'll add green chilies, nearly 3 finely chopped. And here comes the main flavoring agent, the ginger. I have chopped it finely. We will add 1 inch of ginger and some peppercorns. Don't crush the peppercorns, just add whole peppercorns. Nearly quarter teaspoon of is more than enough. And finally the taste maker is the hing, the asafoetida, and the salt. At this time you can add nearly 1 teaspoon of chiroti rava and nearly 2 tablespoons of rice flour to get that extra crispiness. Now we'll mix everything in a similar way as I shown you earlier. We need to mix this while beating it to the batter, just like this. The ingredients will mix one another and it will even aerate more. Now look, the batter is perfectly ready. Now let's see how to fry these vadas. take enough oil to it and let the oil get heat. The oil is nice and hot. The next tip is you need to wet your hands. Always keep a bowl of water nearby. Wetting your hands make shaping the vadas effortlessly and prevents batter from sticking to your hands. Now, with your fingers tip, you take a little lump of the batter, just as I show you, and make using your thumb make a little insertion which will make you as a hole in a Medu Vada. So, as I told you, with your scoop up some lump of the batter using the fingertips and using your thumb make a small insertion like this, just like this. Do follow it correctly. With your fingertips only you need to take the batter, and then with the use of your thumb make the hole. That's it. So you just keep on repeating it, practicing it in the bowl itself, then you will get it perfectly. So keep on trying it and you will know how to make this perfect vada each and every time. Now allow this to hold its shape for about 2 to 3 minutes. Don't use the ladle immediately. So after 2 to 3 minutes the vadas will hold its shape, and then you can maneuver it. Now you can turn them around. Now look, it's perfectly done. We'll allow this nearly for about another 1 to 2 minutes on this side to cook. Now look, it's been nearly 50% done. We'll take them out because I'm going to use another technique to make it much more crispier. Let's take this 50% done Medu Vadas separately. I will add another batch like this. Now it's been 2 minutes. Don't touch it. After 2 minutes it's nearly 50% done. We'll take these vadas also out. Now look, these vadas are 50% done. Why I have taken this out is because I'm using a technique called as a flash fry method. Double frying for extreme crispiness. Flash fry them once and we'll add that in a hot oil, so then it will get extremely crispy. So now turn up the flame to very high and then we'll add this percent done vadas to the oil and flash fry them for about another 1 to 2 minutes on a very high flame. So by doing this technique the vadas will get perfectly crispy or extremely crispy and no oil will be soaked up by the vadas. Now you need to keep on rotating the vadas so that it will get the even color and perfect crispiness throughout the vadas. Now look, it's been nearly 2 minutes. We got the desired color and crispiness of the vada. You can just see how perfect these vadas are. This is perfect. Now these vadas are perfectly done. Let's take them out in a plate. And this is how you make the MTR style vada. And there you have it. Authentic MTR hotel style Medu Vadas are the better than any restaurant version. Serve these piping hot with some fresh coconut chutney and sambar. If these tips helped you finally conquer the vada, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into our favorite South Indian classics. Happy cooking, and I will see you in next one. Until Deepaks signing off on Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Namaskara.
You